Let's see how this does. Got the power supply. Let's see. Got everything off. Just realized this ain't even right here. Oh shit. Family friendly, alright. Alright. Now we're good. Switch camera angles. Alright. Here we go. Oh, I thought I messed up. I didn't even on. There we go. It doesn't. I notice it doesn't always turn on and work, because it'll lock into the coil. I notice that when I put in I twist open this Hall sensor forward, it'll pick up more of the magnetism, the magnetic field. Because earlier we learned that the Hall sensors, that's how they work. And so that coil is generating a magnetic field, making the magnet push side to side. And you could tell that that magnetic field is pushing it. As soon as when it starts to lose momentum, the whole thing shakes, the circuit board and everything shakes. Nice. Let's turn on these LEDs right here. Let's turn this light off. Whoa, that is cool, dude. That's pretty cool. Let's turn off these lights and see how it looks without it. It looks cool, not as cool. It looks cool with the lights. Alright. Congratulations to me. Oh yeah. I did it. That wasn't too bad. It was like 19 pages. Is there more? No, that's it. There we go. We completed it. Pretty cool. If you want to get yours, I actually got it from Amazon right here. Maybe I'll put the link in case you want to get yours too, because it is pretty cool. You can have this on your desk or something. It moves by itself. Alright, you guys, I think I'll leave it there with these colorful, what? Nah, shit. With these nice colorful lights. Look at that swing, baby. That's pretty cool, man. With the lights and everything. Pretty cool. It takes 5 volts. 5 volts. Alright, you guys, if you like the stream, like, subscribe, and go party. It's like, I'm just joking. Alright. See ya.